Good day, everyone. This is Shelley DeLint with Shelley DeLint Media. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Ooh, it is plus 15 today here in Fort McMurray and Alberta, Canada. And ooh, she's a smoky one. It's a smoky haze over this town and or city, whatever you want to call it. And you can smell it. The air quality is not the greatest today, I can tell you. You can smell the smoke. This is the first day yet that you can really smell the smoke like it is today since the fire started. So oh, looks like I'm gonna have a long way around today. Dumb arseholes. Gotta check this out now. When I go back, it looks like the road for me to go to work is I don't know how in the heck I'm going to get out to the main road. Stupid city. Stupid city of Fort McMurray. The way they plan stuff and do things is beyond. I'll show you about what I'm talking about when we go back. I guess all city planners, no matter what city you're in, is probably the same, right? I don't know. They do everything today to make it crazy. Like, I mean, there's a fire going on, and now they're going to gridlock the place even that much more. Now we gotta find a way to go to work. Dum 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 city. Dum 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 city workers, city planners. Dum dums. All these people are all blocked off. Great for a forest fire. Great. Great times. You wouldn't even be able to walk right now to work, I don't think. May be our only route. We'll see. Better than going all the way around. At least we know we can get out this way. There you go. So stupid. Like, I don't understand when there's a forest fire on the go. Why you're gonna block a roadway, a major roadway that you can, there's only so many access to it. So now you're gonna have all these people, if there was an emergency back, they're all going to have to go down to the bottom of Thickwood. Over that way, that's where you're going to have to get out from, is that intersection over there by the apartment building. The one that, you know, you see me come up there out of it many a times. So all these people on this side of the road, or whatever is going to have to go out now, is all going to have to go that way instead of many access to Thickwood Boulevard. How stupid is the city? I'm going to tell you, they are so stupid. This is like, ugh. I swear, people in this town got no brains. The city got no brains. When there's an emergency on the go, you don't shut down roads to do construction. Like, you leave it the frig alone. At least till the emergency passes. Oh well. I guess that's my rant, folks, for today. I'm sorry. I mean, it just, everything is just, Fort McMurray. All these people. Like, I remember the last forest fire we had, and we had to, like, get out within, like, minutes, really. The fire was just coming up over that way. And everyone, it was gridlocked in, so I can imagine what it would be like now. Anyway, folks, this is Shelley DeLint from Shelley DeLint Media. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Mine don't seem like it's starting out that way today. Tiny house for selling, one wants it. I hope everyone has a wonderful and great day today, no matter where you are. And like I say in all videos, please go see your moms and dads if you can, and love your spouses. Forgive each other for any wrongdoings. Don't hold it in. And love your kids. If you see a friend today that you haven't, if you have a friend you haven't seen, maybe go see them. And if you see someone who you don't know, say hello. It could be the only sunshine in your day. Even dumbass city officials. That make plans. Say hello to them too. God loves them too. Anyway, folks, take care. God bless, and God willing, we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.